Hi guys, so in this video I have this Samsung Galaxy A06, and the problem in which we are seeing with this one is that it's not turning on. So if I press the power button, as you can see, I'm applying pressure and it's not turning on. So we are going to put the charger in. We are going to see if the device is charging. Guys, apparently it seems as though we have a bad power button. So guys, the power button is bad and would need replacing. So that's what we'll have to do. Once you replace the power button, everything should be working. Okay, so let's see. So we can either replace the power button or we can replace this button once the strip is good. But as you can see, we are not getting anything from the power button. So that's the problem, guys. That is the problem. So guys, we have to replace the button. I already took off the actual button, as you can see here. Let me just zoom in just to show you guys. So that's the button, and there's a slight problem as well. I'm going to show you what is the problem. I want to believe that this button was wet. I want to believe that this button got wet. As you can see, the phone just light up a while ago. So apparently it seems as though water or something damaged the button. The button area itself where it was soldered. So to get rid of all future problems, guys, we have a replacement button here, and we're just going to replace the entire strip. And we're just going to replace the entire strip and we're good to go. So I hope that this was helpful in some way. So do like, share and subscribe. For questions and comments, you can do so in the comment section below.